Hi, I'm Dorothy. I'm a recent graduate from the Environmental Science and Resource Management Department here at Channel Islands. It's a pretty cool department. You get to do a lot of really different stuff. If you like field work, you get to go out and hike in the woods and dig in the mud or play at the beach. And sometimes you get to come in the lab. So a lot of my project that I did for capstone was going out to the beach and digging in the sand and looking for critters. And then now I'm back here and continuing even after graduation a project that I did on some sand crabs. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty interesting stuff, and it's a wide array of all kinds of different things that you can do. I'm using the project that I did to apply for grad school this year, and all of the opportunities that I got to work with other fellow students on their projects, as well as other professors and faculty that are working on different projects, has helped me in as far as like the job market goes. I got a really cool job offer for between now and grad school that's going to get me even more experience, but the only reason I scored that job is because of all the cool things I got to do with the different department faculty.
And so how do you think ESRM, what's unique about ESRM? What would people, if they majored in ESRM, get that they wouldn't maybe get in some other programs?
Other stuff. So I think the unique part of environmental science is that you aren't only doing like just biology or just chemistry, not that that's bad, but that you get to roll it all into one and make it worth something, or project it for, say, the county needs help with why are there so many critters digging holes under the dam, and so that's environmental science. So you go out and you track the squirrels and you figure out if they're eating rat poison or not, or how many birds are out there, and then you also track the water usage, and then you create a report that actually helps maybe change a policy. And so to me, environmental science is taking all of the different natural sciences and putting them together and then putting them to use in some other form.
And you had some good experiences as an undergrad then? Did you go anywhere?
I got to go to a couple cool places. So our research station is out on Santa Rosa Island, and so I got to go out there a bunch. That was really cool. Last summer I also got to go on an international trip down to the Cook Islands, which is, if you go to Hawaii and then just go south to the southern hemisphere, super cool. Tropical island. I know it sounds terrible. We actually did work a lot, like 12-hour days of working in the beautiful tropical awareness island of cool coral reefs and all kinds of interesting little critters. The people were really awesome, and then we did have to enter data and do things all night long. But it's fine. It was beautiful. So no one really feels bad when you get to go somewhere cool like that. But it was a research project, and we actually are preparing reports for the government based on what we found to be productive. So that's the other thing about environmental science. You're not just poking and prodding at things and seeing if they talk to each other. You're actually seeing what maybe affects those things and where that's coming from, especially the human effect. I think that's the biggest part that we figure out, is what are the human effects on all of the different systems that are out there.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Dorothy. Get back to work.
Okay.